everyone, my name is Maria. My channel is Colors of Maria. I just wanted to introduce myself for those who don't know me. I have started this new YouTube channel and I'm so excited about it. So I wanted to show you, if you've been watching, you're probably familiar with Sullivan. He's not completely done yet. I still have about another hour to go with him. But I have to lengthen his beard and also do a few touch-ups, and then I'll be done. And he's been fun to work with, and I've really enjoyed him. And then I have another portrait of another dog that I will do in a couple of days. And so I just wanted to thank everyone that has subscribed, that has commented, and liked my videos. I'm looking forward to this journey that I have with these videos and YouTube, and so I'm hoping to be a success, and I hope that mostly that you learn something from me, okay? I have learned from YouTube to paint, so I think that you can as well. So thank you so much. Stay tuned because I will be posting more, and thank you so much. It means so much to me. Okay, thanks. Bye.